In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bonchat. So if you're looking for a secure private messaging app, just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Bonchat app. Now, when Bonchat opens, the first thing it will ask you to do is join a server. So here, you need to enter the server IP or domain that was provided by your group, company, or organization. Now, if you have a QR code, you can simply scan it and connect instantly. Now, if you want to set up your own server, what you want to do is open your browser and go to bonchat.app. Now, from there, you can choose a server hosting plan, and this gives you full control over your data with end-to-end encryption. Now, once you're connected to a server, you can start chatting immediately. Now, the chat interface works very similar to WhatsApp, so you can send messages, share files, and create group chats with custom permissions. Now, Bonchat works across phones, tablets, and desktops, so you can stay connected on any device. Now, the main reason people use Bonchat is because it offers strong encryption and the option to self-host your own server, which makes it ideal for companies or private groups that care about privacy. And that's it. That's how you download, set up, and use Bonchat for secure messaging. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.